Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. We talked about the XRP price on x.com. You guys can follow us on the JWK show. And we talked about how on the 1 hour time frame, we had the crossover of the MACD, as you guys can see here. We also have a sell signal. So we were expecting the price of XRP to move down in the short term. XRP at this time trading at around 61 cents. And now today, XRP is down 6%, trading at 57 cents. And as of now, with the MACD in the red and with price below all three lines, we are still expecting the price of XRP to move down in the short term, possibly all the way back down to around the 54, 52 cent mark. So guys, definitely watch out for the XRP price. And this is one of the best times to buy XRP when XRP is going down. Now, for the rest of the market, we have Bitcoin trading at $60,000. We have Solana at 153 and Ethereum trading at 2,596. As of now, guys, we are looking bullish for the markets in the long term. Now, we have a Black Swan event warning. We have just in Bank of England expected to lose $254 billion from the quantitative easing money printing program since December of 2021, right? These guys are just printing money out of thin air, injecting to the market, and they're still losing money in the markets. That is just absolutely insane. And we had this from XRP Insider, unknown name. National emergency level liquidity crisis in Europe. Insolvent banks everywhere, especially in Europe. On-demand liquidity is required now, which is XRP. I don't think they'll hold much longer. Gold will fall 30 to 45%, then rise high. The last manipulation of gold market will occur. Time will tell. So during a liquidity crisis, we could actually see the price of XRP and gold moving up. And this will be the last manipulation of gold. Right now, gold XRP highly suppressed by the 1%, one of the most shorted assets in all of the financial markets. And once the bots stop shorting XRP and gold, that is when we will see a short squeeze happening to XRP and gold. Hence why we have the XRP Insider's name as the big short. So we are expecting a massive short squeeze on precious metals such as silver and gold, XRP, XLM, and GameStop, guys. And when that happens, all these prices will go parabolic, and it will only happen once the 1% turn off the high frequency trading robots. We have from Zero Hedge on x.com with 1.9 million followers. They have said Japan set for another day of stock destruction. We are expecting another collapse to happen eventually in the markets late in Q4. And as the XRP insiders have said, it all begins in Japan. So once we see Japan officially collapsing, not like what we saw back in Black Monday, guys, an even bigger crash, that is when the U.S. markets will also collapse. Now, we have the IMF talking about Bitcoin, and they have said on Bitcoin, while many of the risks have not yet materialized, which means that we're still waiting for these risks to happen for Bitcoin, such as USDT depegging and collapsing, and thus the price of Bitcoin collapsing, as Bitcoin is highly propped up by fake liquidity such as USDT and the whole transactions problem as well. Bitcoin is very slow, very expensive, and so on. There is joint recognition that further efforts are needed to enhance transparency and mitigate potential official and financial stability risks from the Bitcoin project. Guys, Bitcoin is the beta test coin, and even though Bitcoin is currently the #1 crypto, it is still a very risky investment. In my opinion, based on all of our research, thousands of videos, XRP is by far the safest digital asset out there. Hence why people call it a stable coin. But again, eventually XRP will explode. At this point, everyone knows that. It's just a waiting game. Additional discussions in this and other key areas remain necessary. Guys, you will see a massive Bitcoin event and possibly Bitcoin getting rug pulled by the 1%. We have the 2024 United Nations report on organized cybercrime, and they have said USDT is by far the most popular cryptocurrency used by organized crime groups, demonstrated by a surging volume of cyber fraud, money laundering, and underground banking related cases. This is why Tether days are numbered, and this is why we have the US government going after Tether as well. The proliferation of an anonymous and unregulated stablecoin that is tied to international crime syndicates will not last long in a crypto market with legal clarity. Thus, why Tether is not compliant with the MiCA stablecoin regulation. So eventually, guys, just like the other stablecoins, just like the Luna stablecoin, we will see Tether also collapsing, depegging, and going to zero as well. You guys can pause the video and take a look, but in fact, 99.9% of cryptocurrencies in the market, over 10,000 cryptos, will all collapse and go to near zero. We have a new updates on the debt clock, and that is a new Earth worlds apart. We have the new USA dollar, and we have the Fed dollar falling. So we should see the Federal Reserve getting abolished and a new US dollar coming in. We have the USDC and the Ripple upcoming RLUSD. And with Bitcoin breaking above the $60,000 mark, right now the crypto market is looking bullish, and we have something big happening behind the scenes. 404,000 Bitcoin have moved to permanent holder addresses over the past 30 days, which is a clear indication of accumulation. So we have big wallets, whales accumulating Bitcoin right now at these levels, which means that we will see the prices of crypto and Bitcoin moving higher. And lastly, we have the institutional documentation breakdown of XRP. We have altcoin season, and when we see Bitcoin, Ethereum making new all-time highs, making big gains, this is when we start to see people cashing out and moving liquidity over down to the smaller altcoins to make even more money. So once we see Bitcoin, Ethereum making new all-time highs, after that, we will see XRP making a new all-time high. This happened back in 2017. We had Bitcoin, Ethereum outperforming XRP by around 500%. And then after around a month later, we have XRP outperforming Bitcoin and ETH. XRP later then outperforming Bitcoin by around 600%. So guys, stay patient with XRP, and we will see money flowing down to the other smaller cryptos, the altcoins, altcoin season beginning. And based on the charts, the Bitcoin dominance is also going down. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.